guys, good morning, y'all. How y'all doing? We are headed out to go to the funeral. It is almost 10:15. The funeral starts. It starts at 11, don't it? It's already a good bit of people up here. It's cold today, y'all. It was 30. Well, when Phillip got on the bus this morning, it was 34. When he got on. Right now, it's the car says it's 46. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna park right here so I can just head out.
Yeah, but they got people be blocking. You can't back out.
I know, but I'm not gonna pull all the way up. Look at Miss Browser. You know what I mean? If you pull into where you don't pull all the way up, all you gotta do is go through. Because if I get in the church yard, I'm not gonna be able to get out. So whoever the person is in front of me, I just won't pull all the way up to them. Yeah, but the church is right up the street. And I gotta drop Deonte out first. But how y'all doing this Friday? And I think I had mentioned in one of the videos, but it could have been on my other channel. Y'all go check that channel out if y'all not already subscribed over there. But my dad, his brother-in-law passed away also. So it's like all these funerals, but y'all know it's definitely that time of year. It's all you're going to be hearing back to back. But they made it to where they got to go. We got to live right every day to get there. So I see it. But I'm definitely not in no rush. Definitely not in no rush. All right. You have a good day.
All right.
Love you.
You too.
I'll show y'all. Well, y'all will see when I get home what I got on. But this is really little clutch I got. Because my black purse was like in my boxes. And I have got to take my purse out because I wasn't going to bring one. And then I was going to use my mama purse. This one here that she got from my other Mama Margaret. Yeah, I remember she got mama this Coach bag.
You could have used all you had to say, can I use your purse?
But by then, you already had it out.
I could have took my stuff out. I don't have nothing in here but my wallet and phone. You know I don't put no makeup or other stuff in here.
I know, it's all right. Oh, shoot. What I got on my face is what I'm wearing. I don't have nothing in here but my license and my comb and scrunchie. And I'm going to put my phone in it. I had to hurry put my phone on the charger real quick. Because I was talking to one of my friends. Y'all remember Terrence out in Tennessee, in Nashville. Y'all remember Terrence. I was talking to him this morning. It's been a while since my mama got a chance to talk to him. He looked the same, huh? Same old Terrence. He said his mama got to have surgery. She got to have surgery. They found a lump on her breast. So she's having surgery. You got to take her. So I told him we're going to be praying for us. Y'all please just keep Terrence and his, the family. So everybody get old. I remember when ain't that Mal? Yeah, you can tell that booty. Talking about some don't. Mal got some don't. Trudy, but what's that pretty people named Trudy? Trudy ain't got nothing on that booty. All them sisters got them boots. You could tell them for real. Like, yeah. All them sisters.
Look.
Yep, look. She country, y'all. And that's our cousin. That's our kinfolks. And she has kids with Alijah, Uncle Anthony, the one that stay next to us. So if y'all ever hear me and I be talking and I speak to Anthony and I say, hey, Mal, that's her. Because y'all know we country, so we holler loud. We don't know how to not be loud. Part like this, I ain't got to worry about it. You know what I mean? So all I got to do is skirt and get out of there. Yo, baby, be having this. Because we ain't finna be stuck. Y'all want to see Mama? Look at Mama, her pretty self.
I don't want to go up in this funeral. Oh, heaven knows I don't. If it wouldn't been for my brother-in-law and my sister, I want to go. If you don't look at Jack, if you don't bring back too many memories for me.
Where you see Uncle Jack? Oh, that is Uncle Bubba. Hey, there, Uncle Bubba. Hey, there, Uncle Jack. What? My stomach's still growling and I ate. All right, y'all, but we'll see y'all once we get home, okay? Okay, y'all. We left from we left from the funeral. The actual burial is gonna be at the VA, and it's gonna be Monday because it was booked up with a lot of funerals today. So they're gonna have her burial on Monday. But everything was really nice. Everything was really, really nice. And she really was one of those just, because, you know, sometimes people will say it and they be like, because the person gone, they want to say, oh, she was nice. You know what I'm saying? People say that a lot of time when folks pass away. Come on now, y'all know. They be like, oh, she was so nice. Oh, she was so sweet. But she truly was like, and I'll say Miss Pete, but I would say Aunt Pete too, because like I said, that's my uncle's sister. But it's by marriage, but still. I grew up with her daughters when we was younger, and I used to be over by my aunt's house. And it's like my auntie, and then my auntie mother-in-law house was right across the street. So all of them would be there. Tiffany, Tracy, all of the kids, Raven, Terry, Kelly, everybody, like all the girls would all be over there. And I was over there just growing up with them. Yeah, and you know how it is. You get grown, you don't see each other for a while, but her mama was truly, they mama, Miss Pete was really one of them women, like my mama said, she told y'all before. She was one of them, when they say, you know, somebody would give you the shirt off their back, she was one of those women. And the pastor had said it too. Like, I know she had bad days, and she probably got angry like everybody else, but when you see her, she was always smiling, even when she was sick, and she was sick for a long time. But she always kept that smile on her face. Like, she truly was one of those anointed women, you know. All right, you guys, we done made it back. I done changed my clothes. I know I didn't get to show y'all the outfit of the day of what I had on, but if y'all follow me on Snap, y'all seen it. But this is just what I'm wearing now. My Melanin Queen top. And I got it paired with my jacket. And this has a hood. This top has the hood to it. And like I said, it's just paired with my olive green jacket. And I have on my... Let's see, bring y'all up some. Because I don't really ever be showing y'all my outfit today. And I just got it paired with my blue Fashion Nova jeans. They're not high waist, but they got the three the 3 buttons. And that's it. And I'm just wearing my shoes. Brown duck boot shoes with it. Well, they say duck boots, but these, the JBU brand. That's what I'm wearing. Because I do have to go out and run an errand. Need to try to go get this microwave today. So I want it to be very comfortable and have on actual, and I do got on my pink socks. I know my socks don't match, but ain't nobody gonna see these socks. These are what I had on today because they uncomfortable. Ain't nobody gonna see them. But yeah. So said I do. Yep. Savannah jumped on our couch while we was gone, y'all. She knows she don't do that. Like, she know that is definitely a no-no. We took her out and everything before we left. And she jumped on the couch, and you can see it because you see pieces of her hair that she done bit off, and it's all on the couch. So now we gotta wash the sofa cover. And she don't ever jump on that couch, and nobody else was here at all. And I thank you guys for being so sweet on Snap. I did do a Snap showing y'all what I wore. And I had a lot of you guys that was like, girl, you look cute. I thank y'all for that. Because y'all know it's not all the time y'all see me dressed up. Like I said, I do dress up. So please know, I do. I get dressed up when I have somewhere to go. I just usually don't have anywhere to go. Like, because in the summertime, I'm always real comfortable in my summer dresses or whatever. You know, when I go to my doctor, I wear some cute little jeans and a top. But in the wintertime, it's like the fall and winter is when I really like to dress. Because I get to be me and wear what I like. can either zip in this jacket or button it, or do both. And this jacket came from what did I ordered it online. I don't think it was Fashion Nova. I don't think I got this from Fashion Nova. I forgot what site it's one of them online sites that and it didn't come from, I don't know, it could have came from Shein. This could have came from Shein.com. And y'all know I don't do a whole lot of like try on hauls, but it's not going to zip all the way up because of my breast area. And the sleeves can either be cuffed up like this or they can stay down. And like I said, I just got them paired with Fashion Nova jeans, and I just showed y'all the boots. And that's it. And my hair is just simple, very simple. And I forgot what brand hair this is that I have in. This is actually Alisha made this wig, but I have it glued down to my actual hair. And yeah, I just got the headband on because I just had to redo my edges go on. My hair being real short, sometimes my edges don't want to be acting right. But it's cute. And y'all know I keep my makeup very simple. But today I didn't do the powder. Where's my makeup kit? Today I didn't do my powder. I did the CoverGirl True Blend Matte. That's what I got on my face now. And I know on the bottle it looks like it's not my color, but you guys can see it matches my skin color perfectly. And I just brushed my brows, filled them in a little bit. And my lip color that I have on is I got my Milani Double Espresso. And then on top, I went in with my LA Color Matte. And it's in the Danger. Yep, that's what's on my lip. And like I said, it is matte. It doesn't dry my lips out, you know, make my lips all dry and ashy feeling. But I still like to put lip gloss on. This is the first time I'll be applying anything on my lips since I got dressed. And I got dressed this morning at 9. And it's after 1. And I put the Danger on first. And then I go on with the brown. Because y'all know the Double Espresso is a brown color. I go on with the brown on top. But yeah, like I said, this one here is in a Danger. That's all. That is it. And for my lip gloss on top, I always just put on my Bliss Stick. And I have that in the car. So when I get ready to leave out, I'll put a little bit on. So that's it, y'all. So this is what I'm wearing today. Because y'all be like, girl, you don't ever do outfits for the day. I don't know. I don't ever feel like I have on anything really to do an outfit of the day. And this is my makeup bag that I got from Alijah. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup, but I just got stuff in there that I don't even use. Oh, and my moisturizer that I do have on under here is the Clinique. And Alijah gave me this. This is the moisturizer that I have on. So that may be why I look a little different. Because usually I just put my cocoa butter on. But yeah, but that's it, y'all. Y'all see this? They done put the Christmas candy up. They done took the Halloween candy down and put the Christmas candy up. That quick. You see that?
I don't want to see Christmas candy this time.
No. I'm going to get my mama this for a surprise, though. Here. She like those. I'm going to buy her that for a gift. Now I got to go on the other side and find my candy. Lord, just take the wheel. Oh, let me see. Well, they ain't got really nothing here that I want because I just wanted all Reese's. And I don't see all Reese's. Because those are Reese's and Hershey's. Let me see what's all in here, though. Let me see. Oh. Those are just I'll just get one of these.
How much is that?
Nah, but it'll be enough for everybody. All right, let's go and find a microwave.
Right here.
These air fryers.
Behind me.
Where were you just guessing at this point? They right here. They right here. Hey, girl, how are you? I don't want one of them.
Me either.
All right. She said that's what. You better ask somebody. That's why they work here. You not don't you pull that down? No, get some. Yes, they will. They on the other side. That's what they get paid for here. Oh, behind you. She said hello on the other side. Don't play with me. Don't do that. Don't do that. We just gonna get the Hamilton Beach one. It's 64. So the kids both gave me half on it, and that's what we're gonna get for now, because that's the one we had before. Just a regular smaller one. That's what we had. So we're gonna get one of these. It'll work. Oh. And then I gotta get me a bowl for my cereal, get some milk, and then I'm getting up out of here. Oh goodness. I just seen two girls standing there not long ago. Here he come. He was down there with Phillip. That one. The red one. The Hamilton Beach. It's a different brand. No, that's not the same one we had. We had those there. They got the silver. You need to get.
Like the same one we had.
No,
before.
this is the one we had. But we had it in red. We had that one.
So you gonna get the same one?
No, I'm not.
Color.
No, listen. These here are the mainstay. These are Hamilton Beach. So you can either get the silver, the red, the black. Reonte said get a red because it don't show up as much fingerprints or something.
He's gonna say no.
What is that?
Oh,
What is it?
oh, you're gonna say no when I'm playing.
It's a dinosaur. It's $8.
It's not just a dinosaur, it's a dragon.
Well, get it. Well, what's this?
That's a rope.
How much is it?
I don't know.
I wish somebody can just spoil me like that and buy me stuff. I put it behind my back.
That one or that one?
I'll
He said he putting that back. Tie your shoe. Just put it back right here.
Phillip, you don't have to walk it back all the way over there.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, get my basket. Hurry up, Phillip. Please hurry up and come on. Okay, now I gotta find me a bowl. And they will be by the bowls. God, my foot is starting to hurt now. I know they both. Oh, here they go. I just need the plastic bowls. Like a good old bowl for me to put my cereal in. And this is not what I'm talking about. That's too big. I don't want glass. That's glass. God. I just don't want no glass. I've been dreaming about it. Can we just talk?
Hi, shoot.
What they gonna get now?
Yeah, I'm just gonna look at Sailor Moon.
Huh? That's what he said.
I'm gonna go buy the bed stuff.
You think?
It's just the next hour.
So Phillip did go with him, right?
Yeah, he's not there.
I just need me a good cereal bowl. But I want it to just be my bowl. I'm not being mean. I just want it to be my bowl. Everybody did that before. Don't act like it's just me. I've been excited to get this for I've been trying to get him excited about his room for the last couple of months, but it's like now all of a sudden he's so excited. He does something.
I do.
Reonte stopped and got my mom. I didn't tell you that. She wanted something from Pirates Cove, the restaurant they all worked at, so that's what Mama eating at. She probably done ate her some cereal or something just to, until we got home. Because she know we had to get this microwave. Like I said, the stores was crowded.
I can't believe we got on my
Call and tell her we on our way. Tell her them stores was crowded. But yeah, I got milk.
Deonte,
I got juice.
you remember that
I didn't
boy?
get any bread because we still had enough bread. I wasn't buying nothing I didn't need.
Huh?
Yeah, I still got it.
Alright. You sure?
I got my bowl and I had to get some more cereal. Deonte got Phillip. They got, well, he got two, so I guess one for them, one, for all of them to eat. They pizza. I got my mom a fruit cake. She loves fruit cake, so she gonna be happy. And they just put them out today, so she gonna be happy. She got her the first fruit cake on the first day of November, so it's gonna be some good luck for her. Hopefully, this will bring her some good luck and some prosperity in her finances. And it looks like $1 and something. Oh my God. Excuse me, y'all. That man across from Pirates Cove died. That's what Rosemary Company. That what Cousin Rosemary was saying. Right across from Pirates Cove.
Was that old man?
Right across the track. Yeah, he died. His funeral. That was she was saying. His funeral Monday. You didn't when she was telling me that. She said a man that lived right in the house across from Pirates Cove.
This wife came in here every day.
Oh yeah, he died.
That's it.
Apparently, people who work here.
No, they not. They must be new guys.
Oh, they are crowded. I'm glad it's ready. They show crowded here.
It's so crowded, boy. I ain't the one that know it.
I'm not even pulling that. No, because, she's not going to them right there that live right there. Yeah, he died.
Oh, that's sad. Ow.
I do not miss coming here every day. But Alisha, when she come home for Thanksgiving, of course, she's not going to work. But when she comes for Christmas, she'll be back working.
You're not gonna have a belt. Sticking DNA in your insides.
All right, y'all, but
So you get shot at, you won't die. Just pass out.
are they both trying to figure out who turning out first or coming in first? I guess so. Because wasn't nobody else trying to go in or come out, so I'll go. Jesus. Oh, Lord. See, y'all see why I don't like being out? After 5 o'clock on a Friday. I hate it. Traffic. No, it ain't sun. Just traffic everywhere. Everybody be everywhere. Like, everybody be trying to get to where they got to go.
It's okay.
I'm going to get my nails done tomorrow, y'all. Can y'all believe that? I am going to get my nails done tomorrow. Can y'all believe that? I'm actually doing something for myself that I have not done in a long time.
Oh man, that looks good.
Oh, yes, that does look good.
Can you give me a drink? Never mind.
What?
Nothing. Never mind. Go ahead.
What?
Nothing. Yep. I am doing something that I have not done in a minute.
It's time for mother, kid, and mother time.
Yeah. Don't leave your receipt, your bank stuff in here.
It's time for brother, kid, and mama time. Because Reonte's not in the car.
I'm going to just do this haul in this video when I get home. Oh, God. Because I am not doing a whole separate video. I guess I could. Should I, y'all? What y'all think? Y'all think I should do a whole separate video? Because we finally got the microwave. Or should I not?
Look at that bean right there. Eat it.
I'll just put it all in this video. Alright, y'all, when we get home, I'm going to record and share with you guys what we got just in this video because I just don't feel like doing an extra video. I know I should. Yeah, I'm going to put it on my other channel. I'll just show y'all what I got, but I'll put my actual haul on another channel when I get home. Because I need to get a video up there. Alright, but I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? Bye. They had put all the Halloween candy up and got Christmas candy out. And so, seems like you moved something. What did you move? Yeah. Sorry, y'all. I was saying something. What was I saying, Reonte? Oh, we had a funeral, and then after the funeral, I had to run Mama Margaret run some errands, and then by the time I came home, I had to go right back out. The kids had to go to the bank, and then we went to Walmart, and it was so crowded in there. Like, it wouldn't have taken that long, but it was so crowded. So I'm just tired. It is 5:45. I'm about to go soak in the tub after I get this. What's this? Microwave put up. No, I really take my shower first. So then when I eat, I can just relax because I want to chill for the rest of the night. But I love you guys. Thank y'all for watching. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead on and hit that subscribe button and the bell. We will have a giveaway that will be on this channel.
Phillip, where you want
And
your
I will
chips?
keep y'all updated on when it's going to be. I'm not going to link it giveaway because that's when, you know, you just start getting people who don't really ride for you. And hey guys, I did do a quick little hint of an entry in my last video. So if you want to know what that is, you just got to watch the entire video just to see. So I'm going to see how many people caught it. Who don't really ride for you. And I wanted to be the people who support us. So I will tell you guys when it's going to be in one of the videos and all of the details coming soon, but it will be before Thanksgiving. And also I'm going to have a giveaway on my other channel, so if y'all not following me over there, please go over there and follow us. We would truly appreciate it. We're going to do the same thing over there. And like I said again, it's not going to be listed like giveaway. It'll just be somewhere in the middle of the video. So like I said, I'll give all details. So I love you guys, and yeah, y'all have a great weekend, okay? Bye, y'all.